by 20 by 10. Those are in the process of getting paint, so I'm gonna show you how to get it installed. So the tire. So here's the wheel. So you gotta make sure you look at the what side is bigger, because this one, the front is bigger than the back. So we gotta do it from the back. The front is too wide, so the tire will not go in. So the sensor, we put it toward where you're gonna be working. We'll get some soap and water. Check which side is gonna go down. Remember, this is a 35, so they are not easy to stretch like the other ones, like the regular tires. Then we'll put some soap on the bottom. And you gotta push on it right here, so it go under the little lip right here. And you wiggle it in. Let me get this ready. Once you go up to there, you choose this side with the pointing down, not the straight one. Stick it in, and stick the other one in the same way. Then we're gonna lift. There, I'm step on it right here. Then I lift on it. So now, I'm just gonna use one. Let me go a little more here. I'm just gonna use one. This one just to hold it. All right. Okay. So now I jump right here, and I just bring it in slowly. Just press the back here, so it goes in, and then you block it. As you go in, keep blocking it. And block it. Don't take it out. Now you just tap it in about 2 inches away from where the tire is touching, and lock it. Two inches. Again, this one should be the last one. One more. There we go. So now we just gotta put air. So bring it where the other ones are. So there it is. You can do that. If I can do it, you can do it. This is the color I'm planning to paint it. I'll post a video once I get it done on the Fusion with bags. All right, thank you.